Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to find your Android phone if you, let's say, getting lost of your phone, or you forgot where is your phone was, and so on. Usually it's really easy. What you have to do is you log onto your laptop or to another phone, then open your browser and then go to google.com/android/find, or you can googling by using find my phone. Here, this is because I already connect to my account on this laptop, so it will be my phone right here. This is the location of my phone. Or if you're not, click find my device on Google, and then make sure you already log on. And then I'm from Indonesia anyway. Here I know my device. Here, this is my city. And then if I want to playing sound, it will be really loud sound will be played on my phone, and I could locate precisely where is my phone is. And then also I can see the maps timeline at this date, at that date, where's my phone was, and so on. So I can find my phone. And then if you think your phone is getting robbed, you can click erase device. So people that have your phone will not see your personal data, will not log into your personal application, and so on. Okay, that's it. This is very simple tutorial, and this is really cool stuff from our era, and then it's good. Thank you for watching.